शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते.
Hello everyone, Namaskar, I'm Aditya Sareen and I'm going to share with you some very commendable predictions made on COVID-19 by a Delhi-based astrologer, Sri S.S. Anand, who has mastered the art of decoding the genes. So hold on to whatever you're doing and watch these rarest of the rare predictions.
Introduction. From the beginning of 2020, the world has been suffering from the pandemic of COVID-19. In the beginning, we all hoped that medical science will come up with some medicines. Medical experts and scientists have indeed done a splendid job, and within a very short span, they have been able to produce a number of vaccines to control the spread of COVID-19. However, many forecasters have given their statements, and a few astrologers have predicted what will be the fate of this disease. In our experience, we have found Sri S.S. Anand's prediction have been the most accurate and helpful. His predictions are available on his Facebook account, Facebook @assanand.astroconsultant. First prediction. On March 25th, he quoted, "Although China claims that they have contained the pandemic, but my astrological prediction is the outbreak will resurface again. Next 1 week is very crucial for Wuhan and the rest of China, so they will have to be extra vigilant. This is now well known and covered in the media. Please read indiatoday.in, 5th April 2020. Second prediction. On the same day, March 25th, he quoted, "In my astrological opinion, April 2019 and August 2019 are the months which give us a clue about this epidemic. This has been acknowledged by a Harvard study which indicates that COVID-19 may have been circulating in Wuhan since August 2019. Please read Indian Express, 12th June 2020. Third prediction, part 1. On May 10th, 2020, he quoted in his prediction, "I appeal to our Honorable PM, public health practitioners as well as researchers to deeply study this virus, especially between May 3rd and June 3rd, 2020. This virus is likely to mutate during this period and may change its symptoms as well as characteristics. It is also a crucial time to keep a close eye on the family of the coronavirus." This has been reported in the Hindu edition of June 2nd, 2020, as recorded by CSIR. Please read the Hindu 2nd June 2020. Third prediction, part 2. On May 10, 2020, he predicted the mutation of the virus. The virus is likely to mutate between May 3rd and June 3rd, 2020, and may change its symptoms as well as characteristics. As reported in the media and noted by experts, the virus mutation found in December in UK was already noticed in India in the May 2020 period. Please read the print.in, 25th December 2020. Fourth prediction. As stated by him on his prediction, COVID-19 Sunspot Activity Prediction 5, dated June 2nd, 2020, that by 3rd week of June, medical fraternity will certainly give us some relief medicine to counter the ill effect of COVID-19. Now, media reported on June 20 and June 21st, 2020 that the following companies are launching drugs, both oral and injectable, and these drugs can prove to be a game changer against COVID-19. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, FabiFlu, Oral Medicine, Hetero Healthcare Services, Corovex. Fifth prediction. He predicted on May 10th, 2020 that between 23rd June and 23rd July, India will be able to achieve intermittent success in controlling the pandemic spread. But in the months of August and September, this virus will hit back with lesser intensity and limited contagion, which has indeed come out accurate. sixth prediction. In his Facebook article dated 2nd June 2020, he wrote, "By November, we shall be fully equipped to fight this pandemic with a vaccine." And in his previous article dated 10th May 2020, he predicted it will only be by 23rd November 2020 that we will be able to control the deadly disease. As we all know, Pfizer announced the success of the vaccine on 9th November 2020. After 23rd November, they approached authorities in the UK, and in December, vaccine administration began around the world. This is in line with the predictions. I am surprised that Shri S.S. Anand has given such crucial predictions of COVID-19, each of which have been precise when no other astrologer in my knowledge could even give one accurate prediction. His knowledge in the field of astrology is unparalleled. Hats off to Shri Anand. Aditya Serene.